In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Instagram feed to your Shopify store. We'll walk through the entire process, from installing the app to publishing the feed on your site. By the end, you'll have a polished, on-brand Instagram gallery that updates automatically and helps build trust with your visitors. Start by heading to the Shopify App Store and searching for an Instagram feed app. You'll see popular options like Tag Embed or Insta Feed. Take a moment to review features, pricing, and recent ratings to find the best fit for your needs. Many apps offer a free plan with basic layouts and a paid plan for advanced customization. Once you've chosen an app, click to install it and approve any required permissions so it can display your Instagram content on your store. Next, connect your Instagram account inside the app. The setup wizard will guide you through signing in and authorizing access. You can connect a personal profile or a business account depending on the app's capabilities. Make sure you select the correct account if you manage multiple profiles, and confirm the permissions so the app can pull your latest posts reliably. Now create and customize your feed. In the app's dashboard, choose your content source. You can typically show posts from your profile, curate content using a hashtag, or combine sources depending on the app. Then style the feed to match your brand. Adjust the layout, grid, slider, or masonry. Set the number of rows and columns, tweak spacing, and align colors and fonts with your theme. Many apps also include filters or moderation controls, so you can hide specific posts or limit the feed to certain content types. Use the live preview to fine-tune the look before adding it to your site. When you're happy with the design, open your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. In the Theme Editor, add a new section. You'll usually find the Instagram feed under the Apps tab, or by searching the app's name, such as Insta Feed. Insert the section, select the feed you created, and place it where you want it to appear, commonly on the homepage, but it can also work well on an About or Gallery page. Drag the section to adjust its position relative to other content. Finally, click Save to publish your changes. Visit your live store to confirm everything displays correctly, and check both desktop and mobile views. It may take a moment for the feed to refresh the first time. That's it. Your Instagram feed is now live on your Shopify store.